what you're really getting a piece of is a race car mixed with a luxury car so that you can kind of have the best of both worlds. But you really do have to be crazy to buy one of these cars.
You don't need to have a lot of money to own a special car. You just got to be patient.
If I had to narrow it down to the absolute favorite part that I love the most about this car, it's the engine.
It's a different beast entirely. You just can't beat it. And I love it.
It's that one car where you might catch a glimpse and you know in the back of your mind, that might be the only time you'll ever see one.
Enzo had decades of building the most exotic car in the world behind his belt. And for a chicken farmer to build a car in his backyard to whip his ass kind of offended him a little bit.